Follow these steps to fix Instagram other story not showing. Let's get started. First, force close Instagram completely. Because if the app is running in the background, it can stay bugged and keep loading the same broken session. Again, relaunch the Instagram. This might fix your issue. Next thing you wanna do is update the Instagram app. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, log out and log in back to your account. For that, launch Instagram, click on three bars, scroll all the way down and click on log out, confirm it, provide your credentials and log in back again. Next, check your device date and time. For that, launch settings, go to general, click on date and time, make sure you have enabled for the option set automatically. Lastly, completely delete Instagram from your device and reinstall it. So, press and hold on the Instagram app, click on remove app, click on delete and confirm it. Now launch your App Store or Play Store and then install it, and that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.